Namaskar, good morning. Today's the fourth chapter of this day is entitled Aran Valiyuruttal. Aran Valiyuruttal, the insistence of virtue. The insistence of virtue. First couplet goes, சிறப்பினும் செல்வமும் ஈனும் அறத்தீனும் உங்கு ஆக்கம் எவனோ உயிர்க்கு. சிறப்பினும் செல்வமும் ஈனும் அறத்தீனும் உங்கு ஆக்கம் எவனோ உயிர்க்கு. Means virtue gives fame and prosperity. There is no greater than or any gain than this. Virtue is the greatest gain than any other gain in this life. Fame and wealth are bestowed by virtue. What better gain can never there be for you? So the best virtue of this given life is being virtuous. Second couplet, அறுத்தேனும் உங்கு ஆக்கமும் இல்லை அதனை மறத்தலனும் ஊங்கு இல்லை கேடு. மறத்தேனும் ஊங்கு ஆக்கமும் இல்லை அதனை மறத்தலின் ஊங்கு இல்லை கேடு. Means nothing is greater than virtue to one's soul. Forgetting the same is the worst evil. There is no greater gain than virtue. Forgetting the same brings ruin. As I said earlier, the greatest virtue or greatest gain in this life is being virtuous. So if we forget the virtue, the same thing will be ruined for being virtueless. Third couplet, ஒல்லும் வகையான் அறிவினை ஓவாதே செல்லும் வாயெல்லாம் செயல். ஒல்லும் வகையான் அரவினை ஓவாதே செல்லும் வாயெல்லாம் செயல். Always practice virtue in all possible ways. We should practice virtue in all possible ways and at all possible places. We are expected to practice only virtue in all possible moments and possible ways. One should always perform the righteous deeds in all possible ways and at all possible places. We should be virtuous in all time. Fourth one, மனத்துக்கண் மாசிலன் ஆதல் அனைத்து அரண் ஆகுல நீர பிற. மனத்துக்கண் மாசிலன் ஆதல் அனைத்து அரண் ஆகுல நீர பிற. Which means virtue is found only in the spotless mind, but not in pomp and show. Virtue is found only in the spotless mind, but not in the pomp and show. So we should be very spotless. We should be clean-minded. Our pomp and pageantry words cannot show us that we are being virtuous. So only the spotless mind, the clean mind will be the place of virtuous life. So be in always spotless mind alone virtue is found, not in pomp and idle sound. Fifth one, அழுக்காறு ஆவா வெகுளி இன்னாச்சொல் நான்கும் இழுக்கா இயன்றது அறம். அழுக்காறு அவா வெகுளி இன்னாச்சொல் நான்கும் இழுக்கா இயன்றது அறம். Envy, greed, wrath, and evil words, it's virtue to shun these ills. So through virtuousness or being a virtuous person, we can shun all these four evils like envy, greed, wrath, and evil words. We should kill all these by using virtuous quality of someone. So avoiding the four evils such as envy, greed, anger, and harsh words is a great virtue. So if you want to show that you are being a virtuous person, you are expected to kill all these four evils: envy, greed, anger, and harsh words. avoid them and be virtuous. The sixth one, அன்றறிவாம் என்னாது அறஞ்செய்க மற்றது ஒன்றும் கால் ஒன்றா துணை. அன்றறிவாம் என்னாது அறஞ்செய்க மற்றது ஒன்றும் கால் ஒன்றா துணை. It means always practice virtue, delay it not. In death, it is a crop that fails not. It means, in layman's language, one should not postpone doing good, which is an indestructible support at the hour of death. So, if you have any mentality or heart to do good things, let it begin immediately. So, we should not delay for doing any good things, good deeds that will help us even at the time of death. Means after death, we know some people believe after death, after life, after death. So that being virtuous at doing good things in all the time without calculating for the time and even possibilities, that will be counted even after death. Seventh one, அறத்தாறு இது என வேண்டா சிவிகை பொறுத்தானோடு ஊர்ந்தான் இடை. அறத்தாறு இதுவென வேண்டா சிவிகை பொறுத்தானோடு ஊர்ந்தான் இடை. Which means the men bearing the palanquin and the man in it are reaping rewards of their past deeds. The palanquin bearers and the riders surely show the fruits of their virtue openly. Eighth one, வீழ்நாள் படாமை நன்றாற்றின் அஃதொருவன் வாழ்நாள் வழியடைக்கும் கல். வீழ்நாள் படாமை நன்றாற்றின் அஃதொருவன் வாழ்நாள் வழியடைக்கும் கல். Means one's continuous good deeds serve as a stone blocking the chain of rebirth. One's continuous good deeds will serve as a stone blocking the chain of rebirth. The act of doing good deeds again and again blocks rebirths like a stone. So if you want to be good in the next birth, you are supposed to, or you are expected to do only good deeds in your life. Ninth one, அறத்தான் வருவதே இன்பம் மற்றெல்லாம் புறத்த புகழும் இல. அறத்தான் வருவதே இன்பம் மற்றெல்லாம் புறத்த புகழும் இல. Which means virtue alone gives real pleasure or happiness. Other pleasures are without pain. So the pleasure comes out of doing good deeds is the real pleasure, and all the other pleasures are coming without pain. Real joy springs from virtue alone. All other joys are painful and devoid of price. The 10th one, today's last couplet. செயற்பால தோறும் அரணே ஒருவர்க்கு உயர்பால தோறும் பழி. செயற்பால தோறும் அரணே ஒருவர்க்கு உயர்பால தோறும் பழி. Which means one must do only acts of virtue and always avoid doing evil deeds. The only thing to do is virtuous deeds. The thing to avoid is vicious deeds. So whatever you would like to do, let it be the virtuous deed and avoid doing the non-virtuous things in your life. So this is the 10th couplet of this day today. Today's 4th chapter. And let's meet tomorrow for the 5th chapter. And before I leave, I would like to remind that today the whole world is celebrating the International Breastfeeding Day. So I respect all the mothers in this day for being mother. Many people in modern world think that being beautiful is the best gift or best thing in their life, especially the women society, I'm telling. So they avoid to give breastfeeding to their newborn children after a short period. Mostly it was the case I learned from media that some actress, some famous personalities of the world, they always concentrate on the beauty, so they avoid. So it was a case, it was discussed, it was discussed in social medias also. So basically, what is the nature of our human society is, if we get anything through any famous personalities, we always follow them. So there are some wrong conceptions promoted by some personalities through media. So we should avoid them. The best quality of a woman is to be a mother. Motherhood is the best quality, and whatever the things comes between the fame and the motherhood, we should, or the mother should select only the motherhood. All the others are like non-virtuous things. They are not useful. So in this day, I would like to remind you that today is International Breastfeeding Day. So I request all the mothers at least to promote this one among your children for the future generations, because being a mother or being parents, what we are supposed to do is we should promote our qualities to our children so that they will pass their that quality to their another generations. So don't think that giving breastfeeding will make us non-beautiful or ugly. No, it is not. The best qualities of mother, I told you, motherhood, through breastfeeding, through the milk, we promote our culture, our genes, everything. So the child in future will be very stronger enough. Even in IQ status, the children will be so hyper if you give breastfeeding. Minimum of 6 months and maximum of 2 years. Even I could see in my living area. I'm so happy that there is one baby girl. She's still getting breast milk from her mother. I have witnessed, because it is at, I think she is between one and a half to 2 years old. Still she is getting breastfeeding. I hope that this girl will be so intellectual in future, and she will not be affected by any deadly diseases, whatever the diseases comes in the future, because that is the quality of a girl which is getting breast milk from the mother. So I promote this one to my viewers, to the world, and especially to the mothers, to concentrate on breastfeeding and to promote this best quality of women. Thank you very much. We will meet once again tomorrow for watching.